What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jacob's Upgrades. If you're into automotive DIY, overlanding, or just keeping your rigs ready for adventure, you know that having the right tools for the job makes all the difference. Today, I'm breaking down my top 5 automotive tools that I use in my garage and sometimes out on the trail. These are game changers for anyone that likes working on their vehicle, so let's dive in. And I've included the links to all of these products in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. First up is the Badland 3-ton off-road jack. This jack is extremely sturdy and great on off-road, gravel, dirt surfaces, anything that's uneven. With its large off-road tires, I'm confident it will roll over just about anything. With its wide base, long reach, and really high lifting capacity, this is a great jack for any off-road vehicles, whether it be a lifted truck, SUV, side-by-side, you name it. It even has an extended lift stand here that attaches right into the jack. You can undo this and add even higher lift range. It also has a long knurled extension handle. I absolutely love these tires on it. It's not like the metal ones that will get stopped up on the smallest piece of sand or gravel in your garage. And as you can see, the lift range is just crazy. 22 inches of lift height, 29 inches is what it can extend to with this extension on here. So that should be plenty tall enough. And this jack is becoming so popular now. You can find loads of different options for mounting configurations. Of course, a jack is only half the equation and safety matters. And that's why I turned to the big red 6-ton jack stands. These are rock solid jack stands and they give me the confidence of being underneath my vehicle when working on it. Of course, these are the 6-ton. They have all the way up to 12-ton jack stands that are quite a bit taller than this. And they've got some other ones as well that have different lockout features. These are really heavy duty jack stands, giving me confidence being able to set my vehicle on it and safely move the jack out from underneath. And I highly recommend purchasing 2 pairs of these. That way you could do tire rotations, full service suspension work, brake jobs, you name it. Third is this Nico rechargeable LED work light bar. This is my go-to work light for just about every project, whether it be out on the trail or in the garage. What I really like about it is it's rechargeable. It also comes with this mount so that you can hook it under the hood of your vehicle, open up your doors and clamp it on the inside of the vehicle if you're working on the dash. You can pop this off and just use the magnet mounts as well. So I can magnetize it underneath the hood of the vehicle. And when I'm not working on a vehicle, I actually use it underneath my workbench in my garage so that I have better lighting on my work surface. And whether I'm working under the hood in my Bronco or my F-150, this is my go-to light choice. Fourth on my list is something simple but absolutely essential, and that is these magnetic parts trays that are collapsible. Something that you wouldn't typically think of as a necessary tool, but I use these on almost every project. And what I really like is the 3 different colors. That way, if I'm doing a larger project, I can keep things organized, whether it be my water pump bolts in one, my valve covers in another. They clean up well and they collapse down really nice. And then I can just toss them on my cabinets or my toolbox, and then they're handy and ready to grab. And finally is the DeWalt 20 volt max drill and impact combo kit. Now this kit is very handy to have, not only for automotive projects, but for projects around the house. The drill will cover all of your drilling needs and does even have an impact function as well. So if you're drilling into steel or concrete, you need a little bit of impact, this drill will get your job done. Comes with 2 batteries and a charger and is very handy to have. And if you need a larger impact from the 1/4 inch, you can always upgrade to the 1/2 inch hognose impact gun. And this is great for taking off lug nuts, taking out larger bolts and things on a vehicle, even seatbelt bolts that might be more stubborn and harder to get out. The 1/2 inch is the way to go. So there you have it, my top 5 auto tools that I rely on for almost every project. And I've included the links to all of these products in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And if you enjoyed this video, smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And also comment below, I'd like to know what your favorite automotive tool is. Thanks for watching.